Imagine waking up early in the morning, grabbing your phone, and seeing a new notification that says you've earned over $100 with a direct transfer into your bank account, and then receiving another notification that says you've earned $337 in a direct payment into your PayPal account. This has become very common for me and many other individuals who know the secret to receiving notifications like this on a daily basis. Well, if not hourly, but you may be one of us today. This short video will change your views about how to make money online in ways you've never seen before. I'm going to show you a total of 5 free apps that will pay you automatically and without much effort on your part. Though you still have to download the app and log in every day to get your money, so it's not absolutely zero work. Anyway, they're all completely free, with no credit card or investment required. This works in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and Vietnam, and many other more countries. Let's begin. The first app I'll show you is InstaGC, which you can get at instagc.com. You can earn a lot of money by simply downloading it for free on your phone. This also works on iOS and Android phones. And when you go to the InstaGC Facebook page, you can see the company's name and logo. They'll even show you all of the payment proof in their Facebook page, and they'll be completely honest about it. As you can see here, congratulations on redeeming a $66 PayPal. You can see the actual payment, and when I click on the next button, you can see that another guy redeemed $100 in paper money and another $80 direct transfer into the bank account. You can even now redeem your money in a free Amazon gift card if you don't have a PayPal or a bank account. I could go on and show you more proof because there are literally hundreds of thousands of them. Look here, it's a $65 Amazon gift card, and I could go on and show you more proof. Of course, you can check it out for yourself on the Facebook page. See here, you can earn points for activities you currently do online. For example, you can take some basic surveys and get rewarded by simply clicking a few buttons. If you have 10 or 20 minutes every day, you can just explore the internet, browse different websites, and search on Google, and you will be paid for every minute you spend doing so. And more importantly, I prefer watching videos to any other method. This is one of my favorites since all of you have to do is hit the play button and the video will play. Plus, you can open many tabs to view multiple videos at once. Additionally, while watching the videos, you can take surveys or search the web, and this is how you can generate multiple streams of income from a single app. If you're going to download and install this app, you may join InstaGC using Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or you can just enter your login password and email address and click this button to sign up and gain 10 points for free. Now let's go on to the second app, which is called App Karma. You may earn rewards by playing with this app, and it's completely free. You don't have to spend any money, and the greatest part is that they operate on both iOS and Android. You may now redeem your points earned through this app for PayPal or top brand gift cards. All you have to do is click this button to download App Karma to your phone, and after you do, you'll be able to collect 300 points for free. With every 100 point equals to $1. That is, they will give you $3 without you having to do anything. You may also refer other users to this app if you want to multiply your earnings and make more money on App Karma. Simply share your invite link and referral code, and you'll get 30% off whatever your referrals earn. For example, if you suggest one person and they earn $100, you'll receive $30 without having to do anything. This software is very amazing because you can just download it for free and earn passive income without having to do anything. All you have to do though is to log into this app. As you can see, simply logging onto this app will earn you daily rewards. Make sure to check in every day, and after you do, they'll give you an extra money and bonuses just for using the app. Furthermore, every time you complete a task, they will award you with a different badge. And all of these badges will assist you in leveling up, as you can see here. You can increase your reward level every time you earn all of these badges, which will save you 12.5% on the bonus and allow you to literally multiply your earnings. For example, if you earn $100, you may instantly increase your earnings to $125 by merely applying those badges, which is absolutely insane. So make sure to look through all of the achievement badges and collect as many as you can to boost your profits. I'd like to show you today Cash Kick, which you can find at cashkick.com. Cash is the most valuable reward on this website. They effectively deposit all of the money into your account, and they can do so via bank transfer or PayPal money. You may do surveys, find different great deals, watch videos, and surf the web on this website. This is almost the same as InstaGC. However, they will pay you even more money than InstaGC. I want you to focus on watching videos because that will pay you the most money. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just put in your email address and password and click on the button to get started right now. Moving on to the app number 4, and the name is actually SuperPay. You can go to superpay.me. Basically, you can make money online with free paid surveys today. They have a really fast payment within 24 hours. You can receive your money and they have a really low cash out threshold and you can work from home. If you want to join today for free, you can easily get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. The principle is very simple. You can join today for free and receive an instant 20 cents bonus when you do. You can participate in various surveys and complete other offers. And you can cash out your profits in a variety of ways, like PayPal money, gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, and Bitcoins are just a few examples. Take a look at this. They're very open about all of the payment proof. You can view all of the members' names or usernames, as well as all of their payments. Most of them use PayPal to cash out, and you can see the earnings of $3.63, $35, $14, and $1 over and over. So all you have to do is click on this button to say join free today, and it will take you to the website that says register for free. However, simply enter your personal information and email address below, and they will welcome people from all around the world. You may submit your payment information here so that they can pay you once you accomplish all of the tasks. Read the terms and conditions, click I'm not a robot, and create a free account. Now we'll go on to the final app, SmartApp, which you can find at smartapp.io. You can install and download this app for free on your mobile phone and start receiving money every month without doing anything. And they have received a lot of positive feedback and testimonies from individuals all around the world. So basically, you join up for a free account and do a few simple surveys to ensure that you are accepted. After that, if you qualify, you can download and install this app for free, and all you have to do is keep the device linked. Make sure you turn on your phone every day, and you'll get free money on your phone. Now, if you want to download this app and sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button that says, I'd like to sign up, and you'll be taken to a website where you can complete a short survey. Once you've met the requirements, you may download this app to your phone and start earning money without having to do anything. You can download this software for free on your phone again and again to make passive income. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.